Hey everyone, welcome to Clickfix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to withdraw money from the Cryptoguru app. So let's get started. First, open up the Cryptoguru app on your phone. On the home screen, you'll immediately notice a balance displayed, which might look like real money, and it can be exciting to see that number going up or down. But here's the important part, that balance isn't real. The Cryptoguru app is a trading simulator, which means it's built for practice purposes only. All the funds you see inside the app are virtual. They're designed to simulate real trading conditions, just like the real crypto market, but you're not dealing with real money. This makes it a great learning tool, especially if you're just starting with crypto trading and want to test strategies without putting your money at risk. Think of it like a demo account that lets you gain confidence before you dive into actual investments. Now here's where you need to be very careful. If you've heard that you can withdraw money from Cryptoguru, or if someone is claiming that they've cashed out from this app, that's not true. The app clearly mentions it's for educational purposes and no real money is involved. Any claim suggesting you can make withdrawals is likely part of a scam or misinformation. So to clarify once more, there is no way to withdraw real money from Cryptoguru because the funds inside the app are completely virtual. This app is meant to help you build skills in a safe environment without any financial risk. Alright, I hope this video cleared up your doubts and helped you understand what Cryptoguru is all about. If you found this helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to Clickfix Tech for more clear, step-by-step tech tutorials like this. And if you have any other questions about Cryptoguru or any similar apps, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.